We are living in a wirelessly connected world. There is an insatiable demand for broadband capacity, driven by the use of video, high-resolution multimedia, virtual and augmented reality, and the Internet of Things. In the next few years, global mobile data traffic is expected to twice outpace the growth of fixed IP traffic. It is a wireless revolution, and PCTEL is at the heart of it, providing performance-critical telecom solutions to support global wireless connectivity. PCTEL is a leading global supplier of antennas, radio services, and wireless network testing solutions for the wireless industry. Our products can be found in applications across many industries, including enterprise wireless networks, intelligent transportation systems, fleet management and asset tracking, utility smart grids, process automated factories, and public safety communications.
All those applications are going to require connectivity, they're going to require antennas, and you're going to need to have the ability to test the wireless network. Our competitive advantage, it's really the ability to solve complex RF problems. Whether it's a multi-mode, multi-band antenna, or a new algorithm to test 5G for the new wireless technologies from our test and measurement group.
Our antenna products team specializes in application-oriented antenna solutions. PCTEL antennas are deployed with global OEM small cell equipment, land mobile radio devices, Wi-Fi access points, and wireless routers used for the industrial Internet of Things.
IoT presents great opportunities for PCTEL. It's driving proliferation of wireless devices everywhere. PCTEL brings turnkey design and development capabilities for wireless devices, including integration of computing hardware, sensors, radios, and antennas for custom applications for a variety of vertical market deployments.
PCTEL designs and manufactures performance-critical test and measurement solutions that are used by the top carriers, neutral hosts, and equipment manufacturers around the world. PCTEL's test and measurement products help network operators deliver the seamless performance that users demand for wireless mobility and reliable public safety network interoperability. Focusing on the latest developments in LTE, Wi-Fi, and 5G technologies, PCTEL's Seagull Flex scanning receivers and test solutions allow operators to analyze, design, and optimize the connectivity of their indoor and outdoor networks. These networks continue to grow in complexity. PCTEL scanning receivers support deployments of new technologies and frequency bands globally, including 5G millimeter wave spectrum. Scanning receivers provide a high-fidelity view of the RF environment that can't be matched by other testing methods, such as handsets. At PCTEL, we believe that technological innovation and social responsibility lead to customer-driven financial success. PCTEL products are precisely engineered to consume less energy and reduce labor installation requirements.
Engineering around RF is really an art and science. And to have the experience that we have on those teams is a great benefit for PCTEL.
PCTEL's technology is supported by world-class ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facilities in the United States and China. Servicing a truly global customer base, PCTEL's factories have been approved to produce private labeled products for the leading original equipment manufacturers in the telecommunications industry. PCTEL's continued investment in process automation, quality assurance methodologies, and a highly trained and diverse labor force consistently produce outstanding results for our customers and investors.
We have world-class manufacturing. Our brand stands for performance and quality. Wireless is really an exciting place to be. We have a great team.
So regardless of the project, when it comes to performance-critical communications, trust the leader, PCTEL.